Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? I'm going to show you a CHI 5330 with Madison windows, WLED LiftMaster opener, and 20-inch radius tracks. Okay, the door is a 2-inch polystyrene door. 2-inch, okay. 11 gauge hardware, sorry. And our 13 ball zinc wheel. We got the big 20s. Bring it up, hug it to the ceiling as close as we can. I got the extendo arm. You can see the CHI uses two 24s and two 18s. So you got a 24 top, 24 third, 18-inch intermediate, 18-inch bottom. And this is, you can see this is a rehabbed garage, so we'll go have a look at the outside real quick. Nice and smooth. Looks great on this garage. CHI 5330. Nice pick. We got the nice overlayments. Nice built-in frames for the windows. Goes up smooth. 20-inch radius works great on them 24-inch sections too, boy, let me tell you. Absolutely awesome. WLED, nice lights. Got the push button here on the wall. Photo beams. We still got a weather strip, you can see that little gap right there. So, weather stripping's done and then we'll be done. Nice job. 630-271-9343. Smash the subscribe button if you're new. Smash the like button. Drop a comment. We'll help you out any way we can. Thanks for watching our 5330 CHI video with 20-inch radius, WLED opener, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching. Awesome looking door.